a warm bean salad with pancetta. My favorite bacon. In fact, my favorite bacon is Kevin, but pancetta is a close second. What can I say? I'm an 80s baby. I'm happy I got out of bed. I'm feeling comforted already. Is there anything better than the smell of onions and garlic sautéing? I don't think so. Keep up, you can't handle. It's like a cheetah trying to race with a Lambo. Ask about the history. We secure that victory. If it's the win, it got to be. Caraway. You probably know this from your favorite rye bread. But did you also know that it's a close cousin to the carrot? What up, Doc? Fat carries flavor, so if you want a punch, spice up the oil. These two tarts will balance the fatty fatness of the pancetta. Woohoo! Wow. The salad is so cool. It's warm, but it's cool. My mouth is watering. Fallen pancetta in my mouth. I need some goat cheese. Usually, I keep it in here. But for this salad, I keep it in here. We're gonna make it snow. Who needs a cold salad when you can have a warm one, huh? Gonna make a mountain to get ready for the snow. What? All the bits. Time to make it snow. That looks about perfect to me. Just a little taste. There's still snap in the beans. Those spices are so original. The balsamic, the pancetta.